Do you know why your competitors are ranking on the first page of Google and you don't? Let me show you why, and I will also tell you how to outrank them. Welcome to Green Lotus Academy, where we discuss the most effective online marketing strategies for your business, with a special focus on SEO, SEM, and social media. Green Lotus Academy is a free resource of information and hands-on training designed specially to empower entrepreneurs and marketing professionals just like you. Hi, I'm Bassem Ghali, founder of Green Lotus. Today is a very important day. You're gonna find out why you are losing business to your competitors and how to stop it. Would you be surprised to find out that 89% of consumers use search engines when making buying decisions? Think about the last time you did not find what you're looking for on the first page of Google. You either changed your keywords or you got more specific. Most of us believe if it's not on the first page of Google, it's not good enough. More than 90% of users do not go to the second page of Google. If your website is not on the first page, people simply won't bother to find you. In order for you to rank on the first page of Google, you need to understand what types of search results appear on the first page. Your SEO strategy should be focused on taking as much real estate as possible on the first page of search results. Whether that is a video, reviews, or local listing, I want your brand to dominate that first page of results. In addition to search results, major search engines share 6 verticals of results. To me, that means you have 6 different opportunities to rank on that first page. Here are the 6 verticals: maps, videos, images, news, shopping, and ads. I want everyone to learn how to double or even triple your odds to rank on the first page of Google without any advertising. Your quick win can happen if you focus on these 3 verticals first. Vertical number 1, videos, are a commonly overlooked opportunity to get more traffic online. Did you know that YouTube is the second largest search engine? Make sure all your videos have great titles and descriptions that include your top keywords. And if you want to know how your videos rank on YouTube, stay tuned for the hands-on training part in this video. Vertical number 2, images. This is an easy one. Make sure to optimize all your image, title tag, alt tag, and file name. Also, make sure that they're short, descriptive, and include your top keywords. Vertical number 3, maps. More than 40% of all searches happen on Google have a local intent. This could be your quick win. Start by finding local and industry directories. Submit your listing, and if your listing already exists on those directories, make sure you claim your ownership. Be consistent online. Have a consistent business name, address, and phone number. Search engines love consistency. Have a dedicated and optimized web page for each office or store location. And to bring it all together, when you optimize your website content, images, videos, and business listing, you drastically improve your chances to rank on the first page. Right now, your competition is stealing business from you by ranking on the first page. You need to understand what works for them and do it better. Here's how to spy on your competitors in 3 easy steps. First, find out what keywords they're using or optimizing their website for. Second, who is linking to them? And finally, find out how they rank in all 6 verticals and do it better. Now I will guide you step by step and provide you hands-on training on how to spy on your competitors. For this, we will be using Green Lotus tools, the simplest tools to manage your SEO activities effectively. But you are welcome to use any other tools you prefer. Please feel free to start your own free trial. There is no credit card required. I hope you enjoy using our tools and learn something new about those competitors of yours. Use search engines when making buying decisions. Use search engines when making buying decisions. It's not good enough. Is that good?
That was really good.
All right. Hey! Whether that is with a website, video, links, what? File names, alt tags, and title tags. What is wrong? File name, alt tags, and title tags. Did you know that, what? That went wrong. Also, make sure that they include, whoa, it stopped. The magic stopped.
Coffee stopped working.